Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Egagasini, the wave of change from the 6th to the 10th of July 2026 on Monday. Lwandle, Sihle and Jabulo agree to confess their crime. Rebecca faces tough questions about the yacht party, while the Kumalos try to stitch the family together on Tuesday. As Pume's public plea for Nokolo brings the search closer to the truth, Lwandle is hunted by guilty and a missing bracelet drifted into the wrong hands on Wednesday. Senzo finally gets a breakthrough in his search for Unokolo. Truth or Dare makes a step forward, but Lwandle takes them a few steps back. Democracy confiscates a valuable asset to Nonjabulo when he plays cat and mouse with him on Thursday. Pume's desperation leads to seek answers from Esangoma. Njabulo is forced to come clean to Sihle about democracy stealing their music, while Goku Shozi and Malume Jacob act as detective as they search for Nokolo's body on Friday. The Dubes are taken to identify a body believed to be Nokolo's. The trio panics after news break that Nokolo's body has been found, fearing the discovery will expose their involvement. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.